Hi everyone, I am C.Jayanth. Today I am going to explain algorithm for sorting of selection in C. Sorting of selection. Selection sort is another algorithm that is used for sorting. This sorting algorithm iterates to the array and it finds the smallest number in the array and swaps it with the first element if it is the smaller than the first element. Next it goes on to the second element and so on until it all the elements are sorted. You got it? Let's take an example. Let's take an array of 6 elements. 21, 10, 11, 14, 9, 7. Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. As we know, the array starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For sorting of selection, we need to write a code such that it surveys all the elements in the array. Step 1, we need to set a minimum first location. So as usual, we select this one as the first location. Okay. After finding the minimum, through this we will get the minimum value. Then we need to swap the minimum value with the element with the first position element. As we know, this is the first position element. If we survey, we get this one as the minimum value. We need to swap these two. We get an array like this: 7, 10, 11, 14, 7, 21. Then we need to assign the minimum value to the second one, this one. Now next, same as usual, it surveys and finds this one as the minimum value, then swaps with this one. Then we get array 7, 9, 11, 14, 10, 21. Same. Next we need to assign the minimum value to the third one. Now our minimum value is this one. Next we need to do same the survey throughout the array, and we get this one as a minimum value. We need to swap these two. We get array as this one. Next we need to assign minimum position for this one, and we need to do the same survey and we get minimum value as this one, and we need to swap these two. We get array as usual. We need to assign a minimum value location. We will assign for this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as usual it will survey and finds this one as a minimum value, it will swap itself, so there is no problem. Next, our code has been run. We will get an output like this. Our sorted array is 7, 9, 10, 11, 14, 21. This is the sorting of selection. Let's check pseudocode. Okay guys, let's check the pseudocode. Procedure for sorting of selection. List equal to array of elements, size of element. First we need to write a for loop which starts from I equal to 1 to I equal to n minus 1. Next we need to set a minimum value, minimum equal to I. Check the element to be minimum. As we know, the code will survey all the elements in the array and finalize it will give a minimum value. For that we need to write another for loop which j starts from I plus 1 to j equal to n. If the array j is less than array minimum, then minimum value equal to j. Then end if loop and for loop. Okay, then we need to swap the minimum element with the current element. If the index minimum is not equal to 1, swap array minimum and array I. Then end if loop and end for. That's it. Then end the procedure. Okay guys, let's perform the code. Here I am stating the header file. So now let's initiate the main function. Now I am declaring the necessary variables of an example of array of size 6. Array let's take user input. With that, let's begin the implementation of selection sort. Scanf array implementation of selection sort or sorting of selection. Now we need to set the min variable to the loop variable, then open another loop for checking required condition and execution of swapping of necessary elements of the array, and finally let's print the sorted array. As we discussed in the algorithm, The first loop is for doing the survey and finding the minimum value in the array, and at the last we need to swap these values. Swapping has been done. Now let's print the sorted array. By giving a loop, we can print the sorted array easily. That's it. Now let's compile and run it. Now let's compile and run it. One, 5, 6, 21, 7, 8. Let's check the output. Yeah, we got it.